Here's a pair of the AirPods Max. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Horion smart TV, the one that has LG WebOS, and of course we'll connect this via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these AirPods Max into pairing mode, okay? And how you do that is very simple here. We're just going to focus on this one button here, okay? This button right here. Now, if I look down here, we want the light here to blink white slowly, so it'd be like white, 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 which would indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? So it's not on or nothing. Let me press and hold this button here. Ready? Press and hold, and just keep holding. Just wait. Now it's blinking white slowly. As you can see right there. Now we gotta hurry up and go to the TV. Go to your settings. You can navigate there from the TV. Just click on the home button on the remote, and then you can, click on the home button on the remote, go to the home page, and you can click on that gear icon down there, or simply click the gear icon settings button on your remote. Now in the left pane here, what we want to do is we want to go down. We're going to go down one more, and now we're at sound out TV speakers. So the sound is coming out from the TV speakers, but we want it to come out of these headphones, all right? So first we're going to go ahead and enter now. Press on that little circle there for enter. And now we have to move either right or left. Okay, let's move to the right. Sound out TV speaker, we don't want that one. There's Bluetooth sound out. That's what we want, okay? But you can keep moving around, not a sound out mobile device. Anyway, let me go back. We want sound out Bluetooth device. From here, we're gonna go down to device list, highlight that, press on OK on the remote. And now you can see that little swirly thing there on the bottom. It's searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and for some reason I think I took too long. I'm not getting no blinking white light. Let me press and hold this button again. Let's put this back into pairing mode. Okay, it's in pairing mode now. It's still moving, and voila, AirPods Max, it found it. Let me go ahead and select on that. It says connecting. It should say connected there. It said connected. It's connected up there. And voila, now we are connected. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.